Rick Brewing, NKYSportsblog.com, here with Highlands quarterback Pat Tolles after a big win over Covington Catholic, 42-37. Pat, just talk about this game. I mean, it's been such a good rivalry throughout the years. Cov Cath is on the upswing. They're coming back. Today was a great game. Just talk about what it meant to come out on top.
You know, it was a burner. The last couple of weeks we kind of, I got probably 6 quarters total. And you're coming out, playing your big rival. It's always going to be interesting. And, that Blake's, he's a hell of a quarterback, and Gabe's a really good running back. And their offense played well and just went back and forth the whole game where finally we came out in the end.
Coach Mueller talked about how nice it was to finally get you guys to play a full game and really compete till the end of a game. He said you try to simulate in that practice, but it's just not the same, is it? Right. What was that like today to actually play a full 4 quarters?
It's weird as I say, it's different from the last 2 weeks, but during the week we prepare for the moments when we're down 6 and we need a touchdown. There's 30 seconds left, and this week we turn the ball over. I turned the ball over down here, which was inexcusable. We had 2 other turnovers that shouldn't have happened, and it comes down to that, and thankfully we got one of those fumbles back, and that was a scoring drive. But in the end, our defense made that stop, so it worked out.
You've had some good weapons in your time here, but how special is this receiving core?
It's it's awesome. We could play any of the. We have 8 guys right now who could start. I'm confident could start varsity anywhere else in the state. You come up here, and Coach Mueller was talking about how bad he feels not playing 3 or 4 of these guys because they just put in so much work and practice and do whatever they can to get on the field. The reason, we get all those deep balls is because we got so many different people that can run and run and run and just sub out like it's nothing.
What does this game do for your confidence going forward with the rest of the district ahead of you and, of course, another state title run ahead?
It does a lot. Knowing that we can, last to that 4th quarter and pull out that victory it's a good feeling. Knowing that we've got the drive and that mentality to where, we're not going to lose no matter what it takes.
All right, thanks a lot. Thanks. That's Pat Tolles, Highlands quarterback. He had 3 rushing touchdowns and a passing touchdown today in Highlands, 42-37 win over Covington Catholic. I'm Rick Brewing, NKYSportsblog.com.